Many industrial machines have multiple energy sources.
You want to lock all of these in the off position before maintenance starts to keep people safe.
Hi, I am Jorian Sigl.
And I'm Christian Senft. We are maintenance safety engineers at Brady.
Specialized in Lockout Tagout.
And we are active in Europe, Middle East and Africa. We have written a lot of complete Lockout Tagout procedures to keep people safe in many industries.
We can help you identify all energy control points to lock out before servicing a machine.
Using information on your energy control point and machines, I can create best practice illustrated machine-specific lockout procedures for you.
This will help send people home safely by avoiding accidents. You can easily review, approve, edit or get edits for any lockout procedure we create for you in our dedicated Link 360 software. We can also supply any Lockout Tagout tool that is used in your procedures, but this is not an obligation. With the padlocks in place, maintenance professionals and team leaders hold the keys to their safety.
And nobody can energize machines too early by accident.
Give us a call or email us when you are ready to increase maintenance safety.
We will support you with best-in-class Lockout Tagout.
Hope to meet you soon.